Day 3 of our GibbsCAM curriculum is a lot like Day 2, but it focuses on a 2-axis lathe. So we'll draw or import the wireframe geometry first, and then we'll look at the workflow for creating toolpaths, which consists of tools, and processes, and operations. So we'll take a look at creating new tools and defining them, as well as techniques to save and load them. We'll use those to create processes, which get applied to geometry to create finished operations. And each operation or process type has its own parameters, so we'll take a look at the setup dialog for things like roughing, and contouring, holes, and threading. And as we're going along, we'll take a look at the simulation. And we probably won't end up loading a whole machine or the fixturing, but we will take a look at how to play the simulation, as well as how to use some of the functions that go along with it. And once we're happy with that, we'll create some code using the post processor. And that will bring us to the end of our level 1 classes.